Today I'm going to be reading to you Fat Cat, and it is illustrated by Jane Smith. Fat Cat is Pat's cat. Hello, Fat Cat. What a fat cat! What a fat cat! Is very fat.
Back up a little bit.
He sleeps all day on his warm mat. Speaks about cat food while he's actually taking a nap. One day Pam saw a rat in her hat. Strange. Really strange. How a rat can go into someone's hat. Get that rat. Get that rat, said Pat. Get that rat. But Fat Cat just sat and sat. She must be mad at Fat Cat. So Pam ran after the rat with a bat. Come here, rat. I don't think so. Doesn't really look like a bat. Looks like a shovel.
Great.
Whoops. But she tripped and fell over Fat Cat's mat. I wonder what is going to happen to the rest. When you hear the rest of it, I think it would. Now, Fat Cat, a flat cat, laughed the rat. Ha ha. Oopsie.